In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment icons on footer in Shopify. Adding payment icons to your store footer is a simple way to show customers which payment methods your store supports. These icons usually appear near the bottom of your website, and they can help make your store look more complete and trustworthy. In this tutorial, I will walk you through where to find the footer settings inside Shopify, how to enable the payment icons, and how to save the change so it appears on your live store. To begin, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your products, orders, store design, and other settings. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Online Store. After that, click on Themes. This will take you to the section where Shopify displays your current theme, along with any other themes you may have added to your store. Now that you are on the Themes page, look for your active theme. This is the theme that is currently being used on your live storefront. Next to your active theme, you should see a button labeled Customize. Click the Customize button to open the Shopify theme editor. This editor lets you adjust different parts of your storefront, such as the homepage, header, footer, product pages, and other theme sections. Once the theme editor opens, you will see a preview of your store along with a sidebar menu on the left. This sidebar contains the editable sections of the page or theme area you are working on. Since payment icons are usually controlled through the footer, you will need to scroll down through the left sidebar menu until you find the footer section. When you see footer, click on it to open the footer settings. After clicking the footer section, Shopify will show the settings related to the footer area. Depending on your theme, the exact layout may look slightly different, but the option you need should be located within the footer settings. Take a moment to look at the settings panel on the right side of the screen. This is where Shopify displays the options you can adjust for the selected section. In the settings panel, scroll down until you find the area labeled Payment Methods. This section controls whether payment method icons appear in the footer of your store. The icons may include common payment options supported by your store, depending on your Shopify payment setup and theme. This setting is useful because it allows visitors to quickly see the types of payment methods available without needing to go through the checkout process first. Once you locate the Payment Methods section, look for the checkbox that says Show Payment Icons. Click the checkbox to enable it. When the box is checked, Shopify will display the payment icons in the footer area of your storefront. You may also see the preview update inside the theme editor, depending on your theme and where the footer is visible in the preview window. Before finishing, take a quick look at the preview area to make sure the footer looks the way you want it to. If the footer is not visible right away, you may need to scroll down in the preview until you reach the bottom of the page. This gives you a chance to confirm that the payment icons are showing in the correct area before saving the change. Finally, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This is the step that applies the change to your store. Once the save process is complete, the payment icons should be visible in the footer of your Shopify store. And that is all there is to it. You have now enabled payment icons in the footer of your Shopify store.